Hello friends, welcome to TradersHub channel. Due to my laptop issue, I'm unable to post last 2 days the stock analysis video. Sorry for the apologies. Let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow, 4th of February 2021. Today morning, I given a nifty view about the rising trend line. It taken exactly the resistance and came down 100 points. Okay, let's have a look at the 5-minute chart so that we get a good idea for tomorrow. So Nifty tomorrow above 14904 for 5 minutes close. It means that this swing has to break. If it is breaking and closing above it, then we can expect 15,006 and 15,121, and we can also mark this level 15,252 because tomorrow is expiry. There might be a big movement in the market either side. That's what we mark in the both sides. So what we can expect, the lower side below 14,762.5 for 5 minutes close, we can see 1461, and that another resistance is around 14,560. These two levels act as a strong support in this area because this is the rising trend line in the daily chart, so it may act as a good support here. So let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty tomorrow above 35,000, we can see 35,156, 35,344 and 35,532 level. If it is breaking the lower side, 34,590 level, we can see 34,410, 34,225, and we also mark this level 34,040 level just for our purpose. How to trade? If stock is breaking above, we can go long, and if it is coming down and it is taking resistance somewhere, you can wait for the swing, and the breakout is coming, you can take the short also here. So every level is act as a support and resistance. You can trade accordingly. Let's move to stocks. I have shortlisted Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, Bata, Titan and Biocon for the long side. For the short side, Godrej Consumer, Dabur, PVR, and either side we can expect an ICICI Bank and Havels. Let's go through one by one. Axis Bank, what we can expect tomorrow above 737, we can see 745 and 756 level for tomorrow. Since it is closing above the square number, odd squares 729, and also the reference price 729.55, so it's a good sign for this stock for tomorrow. The next stock is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance also, it had a long consolidation near to the midpoint, 52.56.5. So, and also it is closed above the reference price 52.32.9. So my expectation is tomorrow above 52.70. We can see 53.29, 54.02. These two levels we can expect, and also we mark this level 54.76. So I'm only looking for the long side. And Bata today, it given a very good move from the morning, and also it is closed, it came back to the midpoint and it's bounced back and closed above the reference price. And last 5 minutes candle have a very good move of 15 rupees, but the closing is around 1569.85. So what we can expect tomorrow above 1579. We can see today's high of 1589, and if it is breaking, we can see 1600 and also 1620 level for tomorrow. I'm expecting good move in the stocks because in the hourly chart we don't have any resistance. It already given a breakout, kind of double bottom. So here if you see, it's a positive divergence in the RSI. The stock is falling, but the RSI is rising. So it's a double bottom. The breakout is confirmed. So we can see until this area for sure. Then the stock, you can take this stock as a positioner if anytime you get around 1550 to 1560 level. The next stock is Titan. Titan is hovering around the whole day near to the square number 1521. My expectation is tomorrow above 1529. We can see 1545 and 1560 level, and also we marked another level is 1575. The next stock is Biocon. Biocon, again, this stock also, it's just consolidating near to the square number, even square 400, and the stock is also closed above the reference price 401.3. So what we can expect tomorrow above 404.9 or 405.3 is a good, if it is closing above for 5 minutes, we can see 1413 and 1420.5. And today all pharmas are moved except this stock. We may see tomorrow the move in the stock. The next stock is for the short side, Godrej Consumer. And Godrej Consumer does not have any strength. All the consumer or FMCG stocks does not have any strength in the market. So that's what I taken Godrej Consumer, and it is showing the weakness, and also closed below the reference price 748.85. My expectation is tomorrow below 743.55. We can see 735 and 729 level. The next stock is Dauber. Again, as I said, FMCG is weak, and this stock is unable to sustain above the square number 529, and is slowly consolidating in the downside. So what I'm expecting below 523, we can see in this stock around 515 and 50. I'm expecting 515 and 510, and also we mark this level as a support 506 level. The next stock is PVR. PVR, again, it is consolidating below the square number 1521. So I'm marking either both the side, so it is safe. Sometime it is coming down, next day it's gap up is happening in the stock. So what we can expect tomorrow below 1498, we can say 1482 and 1460 level, and also we mark 1444 level. Above 1523 in the 5-minute chart close, we can see 1545 and 1560 level in this stock. If it is closing above, then we can see very good rally in the stock, because this is hovering around 1550 to 1350 level. The next stock is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, I marked either side. It is moved up near to the square number 625, and it came down and closed above the reference price. So I'm expecting either side move. Tomorrow above 627.5, we can see 635, 640 and 650 level. I mark this level, but we can expect 635 and 640. So if it is breaking the lower side 616.15, we can see 610 and 600.5 level. The next and the last stock for tomorrow is Havels. So I marked either side, since the stock is went up and came down also, and it is consolidating near to the midpoint 1122.5, but it is closed below the reference price 1115.65. So my expectation is tomorrow above 1122.5. We can see 1135, 1150 and 1156. If it is closing below 1104.55, we can see 1089. And if it is closing below, we may see 1075 level for tomorrow. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video and it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. And if you made profits, please comment on the comment section. Thanks for your time. Bye.